Hello everyone, welcome to Loveful Creations. Today let's make honeycomb Christmas tree. I am using Cricut Maker to cut the Christmas tree template. You can easily make this template without Cricut. This tree is just 3 triangles, small, medium and big triangle. After getting your template ready, all you need to do is fold it into exactly half. Now take an A4 sheet of desired color and on the longer side fold it into half and another half. Align the bottom of the template with folded A4 sheet. This is really important so that you can make the most use of the paper. Outline the template as shown. Now turn the paper and outline it on the other side. Cut the traced trees. For one A4 sheet, we got 3 full trees and 2 half trees. We at least need 60 half trees to complete the honeycomb tree. So we need to cut at least 8 A4 sheets in the same way. I have cut 10 A4 sheets. I got a bunch of trees and a few half trees. Now we need to apply glue for the honeycomb effect. We need to apply glue on the topmost portion of the tree and on the sides of the trees, leaving the bottom. We shouldn't apply glue here. Now for the half trees, we need to take 2 pieces of half trees and in the same process as we applied glue for the full tree, we need to apply it to the half tree. On the topmost portion and on the first triangle, the second and the third. Now repeat the process for all the trees. Now all our attached half trees and folded full trees are ready. Glue these furtherly down in another pattern. Till now we have added glue to the topmost portion of the tree and bottom line of each triangle. From now we have to add the glue on the bottom of the trunk and in the middle of each triangle. Repeat this process with every piece. After attaching all pieces, before attaching the last one, I am adding glitter to bring the sparkly look. After adding the glitter, I am attaching the first piece to the last piece by rotating it all the way. I have added few more stones and a star to complete the look. That's it. Merry Christmas, happy crafting and see you tomorrow.